Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge cells in a table in Google Docs. Merging cells is useful when you want to stretch your title row. As you can see in my case, I have this salary overview and this is one cell. And now if you want to merge this, it's very simple. Just have to select all of your cells you want to merge into one. After that, right click on them. And here from the drop down, you want to find option to merge them. Merge cells, as you can see. And if you click on it, you can see that it's going to merge them into one. So now I can type my text. I can select it and we can align this in the middle. And that's basically it. This is how you can merge cells in Google Docs. So you can, for example, merge those two, merge cells, and now you have one cell instead two. And now if you would like to undo this, maybe later, you want to click on inside the cell you merged, right click, and click on unmerge cell. And it's going to undo the merging. So you can try it as well here, unmerge cells, and you can see we have cells like before. So that's it. You can also use these arrows to undo or redo. And if you found this video at least a little bit helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.